Matrices are not only used as a representation of the coefficient in the system of linear equation, but utility of matrices far exceeds that use. Matrix notation and operation are used in electronic spreadsheet program for personal computer, which in turn is used in different areas of business and science like budgeting, sales, production, cost estimation, analyzing the result of an experiment, etc. Now, today we start this matrix now. So, what is the matrix that you have to understand first? Look here, it is an arrangement of number in a particular row or column. It is an arrangement of numbers in particular rows and columns. Means here rows and columns will be, and it is denoted by capital letter. Means all the matrices can be represented by a capital letter. A system of mn numbers, the numbers may be real or complex, arranged in the form of an ordered set of m horizontal lines, that is called row, and n vertical lines, that is called column, and is said to be mn matrices. Mn matrix, and m cross n is called order of matrix. This plural word of matrix is matrices. Matrices is the plural word of matrix. Look here, one example I given you. This matrix is given. How many rows are here? 3 row. Okay, this 3 row we have. First, second, and third row. And how many columns are? First, second, third, and 4 columns are here. So this matrix is called 3 into 4 matrix, and 3 into 4 is what is called? 3 into 4 is called order of this matrix. Order of matrix is 3 into 4. Now some more points we have for these. Here A11. A11 means the element of first row and first column. A12 meaning is first row, second column element. 13 meaning is first row, third column element. 14 is first row, fourth column element is, that is 4. And similarly we find A21, A22, A23, A24, that is 5. And we can represent the matrix in many format. Okay, here this format may be this type bracket, this two lines bracket, and a curly bracket that can be used to represent a matrix. Here Mn is given to you, Amn. Amn meaning is here mth row and nth column element. Amn meaning is mth row and nth column elements. Next is square matrix. What is the square matrix? Square matrix means number of row and column will be equal. So if m cross n is a matrix where m equal to n, then it is called a square matrix. Look here, one example I given you, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a square matrix of order 2 into 2. Similarly, this is the example of square matrix of 3 into 3. Now row matrix. What is the row matrix? Row matrix means we have the elements in a row only. Means any matrix of order 1 into n is called a row matrix. That example I given you, 1, 2, 3. This is a 1 into 3 row matrix, and here how many row? 1 row and 3 column. Column matrix means any matrix of order m into 1 is called column matrix. Here example I given you, that ABC 1 column means 1 column only, means the order of this matrix is 3 into 1. Here 3 row and 1 column. Now diagonal matrix. What is a diagonal matrix? Look here. Diagonal matrix means a square a square matrix, means for the diagonal matrix it should be a square matrix. A square matrix in which all the elements except the diagonal elements are 0. Means here one diagonal is, this is the diagonal, and here in the diagonal only the elements. In a square matrix we have only one diagonal. This diagonal will be a diagonal of the matrix, and here these 4, 7 and 5, except these we have other elements are 0. This is 3 into 3 diagonal matrix. Now next we have a scalar matrix. What is the scalar matrix? A scalar matrix means all the diagonal elements are same. These diagonal elements you can see these are same. The diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar if its diagonal entries are equal, then it is called a scalar matrix. Oh, I think you understand these all. Now we have identity matrix. What is the identity matrix? Identity matrix means the diagonal matrix is said to be a identity matrix if its diagonal elements is unity, means all the diagonal elements are equal to 1. It is known also a unit matrix. You can say unit matrix, identity matrix, both are same. Now this is the example of a 3 into 3 identity matrix. So you can write I3 or you can write simple I. Now we have a 0 matrix. What is the 0 matrix? Look here. 0 matrix means all the elements should 0. The 0 matrix will be also a square matrix and all the elements will be 0. This is a 2 into 2 0 matrix. This is a 3 into 3 matrix. Sorry, for square matrix is not should not be a square matrix, may be given in any order matrix, not compulsory. But generally if I write O2 means it is a square matrix of 2 into 2. O3 means it is a square matrix of 3 into 3. Triangular matrix, we have two type of triangular matrix. First is upper triangular matrix and second is lower triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix means in diagonal and above the diagonal all the elements we will have other than 0 and remaining the elements are 0. Means here for I greater than 0 means number of row will be greater than the number of column, means here the second row and first column means it 0, this is 0, this is 0, these 3 are 0. Similarly for the lower triangular matrix means the triangle diagonal matrix, diagonal element and these lower the diagonal are all other than 0 and other elements are 0, then only it is called a lower triangular matrix. I hope you understand this all part. Thank you.